Hello and welcome to Gayathri's kitchen. Today I am going to show you how to select fresh and tender okra without breaking the tips. Are you someone who breaks the tip of each okra while selecting? Well, you don't actually need to do that. I have seen many people doing this while grocery shopping. So I thought why not share what I know. This might be helpful for at least for beginners in cooking. That's why I'm sharing this video. So let's get started and learn how to pick the best okra. When selecting the okra, try to pick the smaller ones as they are very tender. As you can see, these are the good ones because they are small, thin and have a bright green color. The soft velvety fur is present, which indicates the freshness. And when I hold them, they feel soft to the touch. At the same time, they are firm. Soft doesn't mean wilted, it means tender. Another important thing to check is the surface between the lines. It should be flat or slightly lower than the lines. That means the seeds inside are small and the okra is tender. So always remember these key signs when selecting okra. It should be small and thin. It should feel soft to the touch. At the same time, it should be firm. The surface between the ridges should be flat or slightly lower than the lines. It indicates the tenderness. If you check these signs, there is no need to break the tips. If the seeds are bulging out, it means the okra is overly matured and not good for cooking. And I will show you the bad ones also. See, if you observe this okra color has almost turned into green to yellow, and it's very hard to touch. And if you see the lines, they are very hard pointed out. And so this is not good one. And I will show you the other one. This is also thin. It's thin, but the seeds are already bulging out. That means it's clear it's a bad one. And I will show you other one. I thought it is a good one at first, but see, one side the seeds are bulging out. These are also not that great. And here, even though this one is bigger, but it's soft to touch and it's tender one. Here I am showing the bigger ones. One of them, you can see the clear difference between them. One of them is not that great. The seeds are popping out. And this one, even though it is big, but it looks tender. And these are the ones we have selected. All of them are tender and good ones. But I prefer to use the smaller ones for stir frying and the bigger ones for curries like Bendakaya Pulusu, okra and shrimp curry or sambar, just like that. And that's it. I hope this video is useful to you. If you like this video, please leave a like, share it with others, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.